guys, today I'm going to show you a video tutorial on using a washing machine. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started.
Fill the washing tub sufficiently. The volume of water can be determined by how many clothes are washed. And enough detergent. Let the detergent mix with water evenly.
Insert the clothes that have been spotted before. After that, set the washing time with the available panels. Determine the washing time by turning the timer panel on the washing machine. Adjust the washing time according to the amount of laundry and type of laundry.
After the washing time is over, drain the water by turning the existing drain panel. Put water back in and repeat the wash cycle 2 times to remove any residue from the detergent.
Transfer the laundry to the drying room. Remove the clothes manuals and screws with the existing cover. Close the drum and adjust the drying time by turning the dry panel. After the drying time is finished, open the drum and take out the laundry. Drain the laundry in the sun.